Hello everyone, my name is Alan Ellis. I'm the Creative Director for OC Portal, and welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use ComCode to embed HTML into your website. So for instance, a Google map. This is a pretty default installation of OC Portal for my Mayberry community website, and I haven't done anything to it yet. So the first thing I'd like to add is a little map in the corner, and that way people can find, Mayberry on the map. The first thing I need to do is go to Google. So I'm going to do File, New Tab, and go to google.com. And come up here and click on Maps. And for this example, I'm going to pretend that Mayberry's in Washington, D.C. Here we are. I'm going to drill on down. I'm going to pretend we're in District Heights here. And I'm going to come on over to this shopping center. So just right-click anywhere on the roads and click Directions to here. And now all we have to do is click this link button in the corner and click Customize and Preview. And up pops Google's Embedder tool, and you can pick any size that you'd like if you want it smaller or bigger. We're going to stick with medium for now. And then just come on down, right-click on the code, select all, and right-click and copy it. And now come on back to our website. And let's put this right beside the point leaderboard. So to do this, come on down to the bottom and click Edit this page. Now, if you have WYSIWYG editing turned on, then let's disable it for this example. So click Disable, and then click Discard, because we haven't made any changes yet. The reason that we did that is that we're working with raw HTML code, and it's not good to leave the WYSIWYG editor on when you're typing in raw HTML code like we're about to. Alright, so we want it right beside this main leaderboard. So let's come up here and just above it, let's put it in a new box. So do an open bracket and type box, B-O-X, and put in the title. So say box equals, double quote, where are we? And that'll be the title of it. And the next thing to do is add the dimensions. So I'm going to say dimensions equals, double quote, we're going to go with 432 pixels. And that's just the result of me playing around, and I tried 500 was too big, 400 was too little, and I thought this looked pretty good. And we're going to put in, to specify the height now, use a pipe key. That's just above your enter key on most keyboards, so hold down Shift and hit pipe to get this little pipe character. And now we can type the height, which is 390 pixels. And double quote. And the last thing to specify is the float. Float equals, double quote, we're going to say right. And that puts it beside the leaderboard. Now it comes time for our HTML code, so just do an open bracket, HTML, close bracket, and put in Google's code. So just right click, say paste. There's Google's magic. And now close off the HTML by doing an open bracket and say /HTML. And that says that we're done with our HTML. Say that we're done with the box, say open bracket /box. And we're done. So let's come on down, save our changes, and check it out. So now we've got this nice box here. It's interactive, people can use it. They can zoom in and out to get directions. They can click your little push pin and get directions to it. So this is one example. It works great for PayPal buttons, for Amazon affiliate code, for Google advertisements, and you can also use it in plenty of different places. So let me show you just briefly. If you want to have a smaller version on your side panel, go back to where you had this this window came up. Just choose small. Actually, that's not small enough. Click custom. Let's say 160 pixels by 200. Just a tiny little one, and let's actually zoom out. A little more. That looks good. That way people can see that we're near Washington. And just grab this code again, right-click, select all, right-click, copy. And back over here, you can, to edit anything on the right page or the left panel, they're called, the right panel, click Edit in Zone Editor. And click the Edit tab for whichever panel you'd like. I'm doing it on the right. And just do the same steps. Add another line and say, open bracket, box equals, where are we? And because it's on the side panel, we can say type equals panel. And do a close bracket, and do an open bracket for your HTML, close bracket. I'm going to Control V to paste, and slash HTML and slash box. And come on down and save those changes. Check it out. So, blends in pretty nicely with the rest of the site, and this way it'll stay on every page. So if I'm head over to the guide, that way people can always find you. You can use this for loads of websites, like I mentioned, that offer you HTML code that you can embed, and OC Portal should work pretty nicely with it. So I hope this inspired you a little bit, and I look forward to seeing what you all come up with using it. Good luck!